and waiting for my Prabhu Ganesha, right? Hi, I am Vahana of Ganesha. Kids, I know you all have many questions about my Lord. Why he has an elephant head? Why he is called as God of Wisdom? Why he has only one tusk? So, on this Ganesh Chaturthi, let's know the stories behind it.
The birth of Ganesha. There are many stories about Ganesha's birth. One story says that once Goddess Parvati was alone in Mount Kailash and wanted to take bath, as she was not happy of Gana's guard in the place. She made a statue of a child using turmeric and blessed life into him and told him not to allow anyone inside without her permission. The boy said, "Okay, Mata, I obey your order." Then after some time, Lord Shiva returns home and tries to enter the place. Then the boy stops Lord Shiva and asks, "Who are you? You're not supposed to go inside." Lord Shiva wonders to see the little boy and says, "I want to go." The boy stops again and Lord Shiva gets furious and behead the little boy with his Trishul. Soon comes the goddess Parvati and lashes out at Lord Shiva by turning into Kali, threatened to destroy the entire universe. Then all gods and Lord Shiva, frightened about the situation, to calm down Goddess Parvati, Lord Shiva sent his followers to bring the head of first seen living creature. Then later they found an elephant head and that was placed over the body, given a new life and named him as Ganesha and accepted him as his son. As it was the rebirth of Ganesha, we celebrate it as Ganesh Chaturthi, elephant-headed God, the God of new beginning. So kids, from this story, you have learned that we need to control our anger and rectify our mistakes. Why we call Lord Ganesha as God of Wisdom? One day, Ganesha and his younger brother Kartikeya were playing. They received a special fruit of wisdom and knowledge from the gods. As they were kids, they were not ready to share the fruit. Then Lord Shiva and Parvati got an idea and said them that the first one who completes revolving around the earth thrice would receive this fruit. By hearing this, Kartikeya immediately hopped on his vehicle Peacock. But Ganesha's vehicle was a rat. As it can't fly, Ganesha took a wise decision and started revolving around his parents as they were the entire universe for him. Lord Shiva was impressed by Ganesha's wisdom and given the fruit of wisdom to Ganesha. This story teaches us we need to respect and love our parents. Ganesha's single tusk. There are two different stories. One story tells that when Ganesha was guarding the door of Lord Shiva, then sage Parashuram came to meet him. but Ganesha denied his entry. Parshuram got angry and started fighting. At that time, Ganesha's tusk was broken. Another story is, one day Vedavyas Maharshi, creator of Mahabharata, came to Ganesha and set him to write the story as he narrates it to him. Then Ganesha kept one condition, that Vedavyas has to narrate the story without any break, as Ganesha will write it in a single go. While writing at one point, the quill well broke down and had no other quills. As Vedavyas Maharshi could not stop the narration, as it was the condition of Ganesha, then Ganesha quickly broke off one of his own tusks and used it as a pen and completed it. This made the epic to become a holy one. Later, Ganesha was also known as Ekadan. The lesson that we learn from this story is to be disciplined and determined in completing one's own task. Ganesha cursed the moon. One day, Ganesha, after eating many laddus, his stomach had become large and he was not able to walk. Then he sat on his vehicle rat. As it was not able to bear the weight of Ganesha, ended up losing his balance and fell down. Then the moon was watching all of this, began laughing at Ganesha. Seeing this, Ganesha got angry and cursed him to be invisible. Then Moon realized his mistake and asked Ganesha to forgive his mistake and decided to set a cycle where the moon appear and disappear every 15 days. There is another story also. Some believe that Ganesha cursed the moon, saying that anyone who looks at the moon on the night of Ganesh Chaturthi will be falsely accused. The lesson from this story is, one should never laugh at somebody else's problem or deformities. Ganesha and his mouse. According to Ganesh Purana, in the court of Lord Indra, there was a musician named Crunch. One day, Crunch accidentally stepped on the foot of Vamadeva, who cursed Crunch to become a mouse. Later, he became a huge mouse and started destroying everything into his path. To teach him a lesson, Lord Ganesha mounted over him. As Rat could not bear the weight of Ganesha, pleaded him to become lightweight. Since then, Lord Ganesha is using the mouse as his vehicle. The lesson from this story is, modesty is the best virtue. So, these are some stories behind the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. All over on this day, may the Lord bring you good luck and prosperity. Let's celebrate an eco-friendly Ganesh Chaturthi and adopt clay idols. Happy Vinayak Chaturthi!